Next, let's add a field to our content type so we can include these tags with our blog entries. We'll go back to Structure, Content Types, Blog Entry, and Manage Fields. And let's click Add Field. For the type, we're going to select a reference to a taxonomy term. For the label, we'll put tags. And now there's already a field with the machine name field tags. If we clicked Save and Continue, we would get an error saying the machine readable name is already in use. And it will allow us to change the machine name. Let's change this to blog tags. Again, we could use the existing field, but to keep things clean throughout this series, we're going to create new fields when we need them. I'll click Save and Continue. We're going to change the allowed number of values to unlimited because we'll add multiple tags to different blog entries. I'll click Save Field Settings. So we have some similar settings. We have the help text, required field, and the default value. We've seen the reference method before, and we'll leave it at default. But we also have create referenced entities if they don't already exist. So what will happen here is if we use a tag that doesn't exist already, it would create a new tag for us. This is the kind of behavior you would expect from a tagging feature in content. So let's check this. And there's only one available vocabulary to choose from, so we'll select tags and save settings.